This how to 1 minute will show you how to set PHP time zone in PHP.ini. You can easily configure PHP setting to use your local time zone by setting the date.timezone directive in PHP.ini. Now follow these easy instructions to do it. First of all, log into your cPanel and open File Manager. Now navigate to the root folder of your website. By default, it is public_HTML for the main domain and your subdomain.com for your add-on domains. Now, if you don't have the php.ini file yet, it's super easy process to create it using the plus file button. Type here php.ini and click on create new file, and that's how you will be able to create a php.ini file. Once the file created, select it and right click on it, click on edit, and here add the following line. Now change place dash your town to the preferred time zone. And now we need to add an ls php directive rule to our .htaccess file. To do that, again open your website directory and click on settings and enable show hidden files and click on save. Now search for .htaccess file, right click on it and edit, and at the top paste this line. Now replace the cPanel underscore username with your actual cPanel username. And if your php.ini file is located in a different directory, change the path accordingly. Once done, click on save changes. And this is how we can correctly set PHP time zone in php.ini file. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe how to 1 minute. See you in the next video.